Hi, I'm Irini, and I am particularly happy that I'm going to show you a very MasterChef type of a very favorite dish, Greek salad. Who doesn't love Greek salad? You find it in all the supermarkets, all type of varieties. But actually, if you have good ingredients and a couple of things I'm going to show you, you can elevate it to a very elegant dish that you can take to a dinner party to share with everybody. And you get a rustic dish that you eat in every taverna in Greece at the MasterChef level. Greek salad normally have slices of onion. What I like to do for this presentation is to actually cut the onion in very small brunoise pieces, take a lot of the heat out by rubbing it with salt, and then giving it a little bit of flavor with a tiny bit of vinegar. So that's what I'm going to do now. I try to cut them as good cubes as possible. I did mention brunoise, so that's how we want them. We don't want them too fine, we don't want them too big. So what we'll do is mix them with a little bit of salt to get the heat out of them, because it's sometimes not very pleasant to eat onion raw. And literally you massage it in your hands until it goes a little bit transparent. And now all we are going to do is flavor them with a little bit of vinegar. Here we're going to cut some of them in lovely round slices, and then the little ones we're just going to chop a little bit differently. Actually, I'm going to use a little knife. I love little knives for little things. It's maybe because I'm a little person. And in Greece, we do a lot of chopping in our hands. It's very difficult to do it with a big knife. I wouldn't recommend you do that though. I remember my mother and my grandmother always chopping onions in their hands. So these are the few tricks that sometimes you learn by taking part in competitions like MasterChef, because you realize how important the appearance of a dish is. And that's what will get you marks. You see, if I was to make a Greek traditional salad on MasterChef, I don't think it'll get me very far. I mean, the judges might love the flavor, but I just think it's nice. So pile the little chopped tomatoes in the middle, if you like. Actually, the plating is where you can showcase your plating talents. Have fun, never do it the same way, it doesn't matter, just have fun with it. And then we are going to cut the cucumber again in a little bit of a different way than we do for the traditional salad. So I'm going to use a mandolin to cut very thin slices of the cucumber, because you will see what we'll do with them. Beautiful. I actually think I have enough slices here. Now, as you can see, those slices have got seeds in the middle. We don't necessarily want the seeds, or even if we keep the seeds, we certainly want half the slice, because what we will do, that's where good knives again help, is to literally take our cucumber, roll it in little rolls like that, and place it amongst our tomatoes. I'm making a Kalamata olive tapenade. You know, the traditional salad has whole Kalamata olives. Here we're going to cream them. And actually, tapenade, if you make it yourself, it is so nice, and you can spread it on toast, you can eat it in so many different ways. And all you need is a few Kalamata olives, some anchovies for flavor, that umami flavor, a few capers, that they will add a little bit of acidity, and for freshness and aroma, a little bit of lemon zest, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And we blend. To make the feta cream, very easy. We crumble some feta in the jug of a stick blender, and we help it blend by using some Greek yogurt. In any case, it's Greek dairy, so it'll be great, but we want it to be a little softer than crumbled, because we're going to put it in a piping bag and then do beautiful dots on the plate. That's all that is needed for our feta cream. So by using a little piping bag, you'll be able to then pipe dots of the feta cream onto the salad. Now cream is ready. So we'll now put a few of our onion brunoise here and there. Of course, you know, the beauty of Greek salad is that you start with a very pretty plate and then you actually go, you take salad tongues and you mix it all up and all the flavors, but it'll still be nice to take it to the table looking pretty, smart. Red onion is beautiful, it's crunchier than white, and I actually also think it looks very pretty on the plate. And of course, we mustn't forget the lovely things that will add a lot of flavor. The tapenade will add quite a bit of umami. So again, we position it here and there. And we have the feta cream, which will give it a pop of color. And of course, the creaminess that we so love in Greek salad. Always some dried oregano, always, because you want to bring those Greek mountains to your table. Olive oil, of course. Again, the color will pop on the plate, but we need the olive oil. And always, absolutely a must, a little bit of red wine vinegar. Now in Greek salad, if you come to my island in Crete, you will always be served Greek salad with a dried rasp made usually of barley, and it's called dakos, and it is this. But actually you could use any type of crouton that you have in order to give it crunch. Don't forget to flavor them also and soften them. Normally in the Greek salad, the dakos would absorb a lot of the juices and become really delicious. And of course, salt. And that is your Greek salad, MasterChef style.